Hi boys, I thought I would do a little video on this week's English task for homework because it is something that requires a couple of different steps. I thought I'd make this video in case when I explain it in class today you're not sure, or you might have been away as well. That's being Friday today. Okay, so I'm going to share this document with you today for homework. And your task is to write an information report on a planet. Okay, so that includes two parts. The first one is gathering the information, and then I want you to actually write me an information report underneath. Okay, so all of this is going to be typed on your device. So the website I'm going to direct you to is this one here. It's called Planets for Kids. So I'm going to add the link to that onto the bottom of this title here, so you have it there. Okay, and then when you go into the website, that link will open up this page, and I want you to go to planets and choose one of these. Okay, now there's heaps of the information on there. It's actually quite a good website, so if you finish you can have a look through some of the other really cool stuff on there too. But planets, and let's say I'm going to choose Mercury. Okay, and this will open up here. Now, it's quite a long page, but a helpful part up the top here is where it's got the sections of the page. It's a little bit like Wikipedia. You can click on that and it will take you exactly to that section page. So what I've done on our document, and you're going to make a copy of this, of course, and do it by yourself, not on top of this document here. I've put 4 different headings. Okay, so I've got introduction, or general facts. How was it formed? A structure and surface. So structure being what it's made of, surface, anything interesting about the outside of it. And then the atmosphere / moons. So each planet has a different sort of atmosphere with different components in it, and that will be listed on there. Okay, if when you're researching you find that the planet you've chosen only has like one fact about atmosphere and moons, but you can see that there's more about another topic, you can change that if you want to, okay? But these are the ones that I think you'll have enough information for. Going back to my website now. Okay, so one of the things was general information, and if I scroll down, it's got an introduction there, but then go down a little bit further and it's got this cool stuff too. Okay, so for Mercury it has no moons. You can see it is 35.98 million miles from the sun. Okay, radius, diameter, etc. If you don't know what some of these units of measurement are, don't use them. Okay, it's easier to just put a different fact in instead. Okay. And then as you scroll down, it's got more information. How did it get its name? Formation, structure and surface. Okay, so as you go through your document, you need to go to the correct section of the website. If you find a really interesting fact that seems like it's general, you can go back up and pop it in there. Now these notes are going to be in short form or dot point form. Like our New Zealand one we did in class, we didn't write the entire sentence, we just wrote dot points. So I might write something like, let's go back to my facts, I'll pick a good one. No moons. Okay, so I'm not going to write Mercury has no moons on it. I'm just going to write the bare bones of the fact. Okay, once you've filled up that table, and you're going to aim to do 3 to 4 dot points per box, and that's going to translate into 3 to 4 sentences roughly, then you're going to go down here and you're going to write your information report. You're going to type it. Oh God. Okay, so you might start with, I should say, Mercury is a planet in our solar system. And as you're typing, guys, like we've done in class, what the best thing is about being able to type this is that you can really easily alter your sentences. So you might add in there, Mercury is the whatever planet in order from the sun in our solar system. Okay, so start with your basic sentences, and remember we're going to try to use our power sentence, 12 words or less, which I guess that one is there. But also our explore the explore the subject sentence, where you have the subject, a comma, a little bit of interesting information, a comma, and then the rest of the sentence. And the key to doing those sentences is that if you take out that middle chunk, it needs to still make sense. Okay, so I'm going to play around a little bit more with this document here before I share it with you so that it's got the right structure to it. But what I would do in terms of your homework, I'll just open it up. I haven't actually finished typing it yet. But on Tuesday, I'm going to say collect planet facts or something like that. On Wednesday, I'm going to say begin writing info report. Oh my goodness. Thank goodness it's Friday. And then I might, finish your information report. So you're going to have 3 nights to do this according to the homework. 1 for collecting the planet facts and 2 for actually writing it. But if you know you're really busy on one of those nights, maybe start everything a day earlier or just do some on the weekend. Okay, so I'm going to share this document with you. The website you need is up here. Good luck.